Digits on the beat.
Hello everyone, welcome back. It is Monday 2nd of July and yeah, I've had a pretty shit day today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out here, do a bit of a car, give you an update, as I know everyone's been asking and things like that. So yeah, we'll show you around. So we'll start off with Rosie. Engine, all of this is painted, all the interior. Boot is ready for paint. All this is ready, look. All this is finished. I think the engine looks ace. It's looking a bit of a beast now. Everything is sanded back. We've got a nice smooth finish in here. And it is ready for paint. I've just ordered the paint this evening. So in the next month we'll get it painted. And yeah, we'll changing the dials because I've got a dash to go in and bits, but that was just a test. I got front drum brakes for sale, and the doors are down there, bonnet's in the shed and that. Right, I'll show you around the other project. Yeah, so you come around here and you might see all this and think I've been chopping and that, which I have. It's cutting off. Got the wings over there. We chopped it off. Nice little seat for someone. Look. So the thing is, like, it is quite solid apart from that area here. Apart from that, it is very solid. Just a bit of surface rust. All the hill board was fine as well. Got to nick the radius arms off, but subframe's non-existent. Literally, you could look. That's meant to hold the car together. It was. But it's seen better days. So obviously, if you're restoring it, then you can put a whole new floor in it. But yeah, and then selling that as well at some point. All braced up just to hold it. I'm selling that. And it's got double nips, so it's perfect for someone who's built maybe pickup or something. Your van. Oh dear. So yeah, that's for sale as well. So I'm just splitting it all up. And yeah, started my own company, jtechracing.uk on Instagram, so check that out. I'm very busy at the moment, so yeah. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching this short video. It's just been a bit of an update. Everyone's been after an update, so I thought might as well. Must have been a bit cheesed off after today. So yeah, I appreciate everyone who's been tuning in and staying with me. It's not long now until we get to paint this thing. We're building a B-to engine as well at the moment, so that's why progress has been slow. I've got some other issues going on at the moment that I'm going to do a separate video on to try and get people talking about it, because I know it's not just me now. I thought it was me, which have been hiding it for about 2-3 months now. But yeah, I'll do another video about that soon, and or I might do it before this one's uploaded. Don't know however it goes, but I'll do a video on that, and that might make you realise where I've been, what I've been doing, and what's been going on in my life, because it's not a plain sailing. But I seem to have had everything that's been thrown at me. I'm in the position where I've got to have an operation on both legs, August, and things like that. So at the moment I'm not in a good place at all. At school I've been off for a few days. I have mocks as well for the last 2 weeks, which I haven't been out here, been revising. Not done too bad actually, pulling through them. And we're looking like we're going to get the results we want and after for electrician. But if not, I could just fall on doing cars. Love them too much. So yeah, I appreciate everyone who's been talking to me and messaging me, making sure I'm still alive really. Yes, I'm still alive and I'm still here, I'm still producing the materials. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hope you like the new intro as well to the video. Quite a few people have been asking me about him. I'll put a link in the description for if you wanted an intro by him. His name's Ben Pearson, I believe. then yeah, he's proper top bloke in that. So what we're gonna do is call it a night. Oh, fuck's sake. Yeah, we'll call it a night. It's only like 8 o'clock, but I just can't be bothered when football's on, so I don't want to piss off the neighbours. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll end it here, and I don't know when we'll be next. But yeah, there's some new videos coming out and some new information bits like that. I'm going to do tutorials as well and some other bits. My lips are full, man. Fucking hell. I've got some shows coming up. I'm going to Minion Park at Santa Pod. Got a stall there. Got a stall at Stamford Hall, and I think that's the last 2 mini shows. But I'm at Ferry Meadows. I'm at all sorts in the next few weeks. I've got 2 weeks, then I'm off school for 6 weeks. So hopefully in the next 2 weeks I'll get it painted. Then I've got 6 weeks just to like absolutely go for it, belt it, as I say. And yeah, we'll hopefully get it finished. Well, not finished, but I'll finish, get some chrome and get some bits on it. The paint scheme's changed a little bit. It's still going red, but there's some little bits going on that people won't know until it's at a show, really.